Welcome back to Spy Garage.
A fictional giant in the luxury RV industry, the 2026 Brabus X Hymer Platinum Series Motorhome bills itself as the smartest and strongest RV yet. This fictitious partnership would smoothly combine Hymer's proven skill in creating cutting-edge, high-end motorhomes with Brabus's well-known proficiency in high-performance car refinement and bold design. The end product would be a car made for a select group of customers who want unmatched strength, cutting-edge technology, and unwavering durability for their travels across the world. The 2026 Brabus X Hymer Platinum Series Motorhome would have a strong, elegant appearance from the outside. It would probably keep Hymer's iconic silhouette, but Brabus's bold yet sophisticated design language would give it a new look. Anticipate custom aerodynamic body packages may be made of lightweight carbon fiber, as well as a unique front fascia with bigger air intakes, Brabus LED lighting accents, and a redesigned grille that betrays the enormous power underneath. With its massive, maybe specially forged Brabus monoblock wheels and heavy-duty, all-terrain tires, the vehicle would have a threatening attitude. In order to convey its high status, the paintwork would probably have deep, multi-layered finishes, perhaps in distinctive Brabus black or dark metallic tones, and be accentuated with platinum or delicately contrasting elements. Without taking away from its opulent appearance, discreet yet strong external protection, such as integrated recovery points and strengthened skid plates, would attest to its strongest promise. The interior of the 2026 Brabus X Hymer Platinum Series Motorhome would be a sophisticated haven of unmatched elegance and sturdy performance. Using the best materials that are both aesthetically pleasing and incredibly durable, the cabin would be a masterwork of custom craftsmanship. The living area would be defined by hand-stitched Alcantara and high-end leather seating, exotic wood veneers with distinctive grain patterns, and real carbon fiber embellishments. With a large living area with power-adjustable, modular seating, a gourmet kitchen with professional-grade integrated appliances, and an extravagant master suite with a king-sized bed and an extravagant ensuite bathroom with amenities like a multi-jet shower or even a small sauna, the layout would be painstakingly planned for maximum comfort and utility. The claim of being the smartest RV yet would be supported by a highly developed, integrated, and user-friendly digital ecosystem. All vehicle functions, including climate control, multi-zone entertainment systems, advanced navigation with real-time terrain mapping, security systems, including thermal cameras and drone surveillance, and thorough diagnostics, would be seamlessly managed by a central, AI-driven command system that is accessible via large touchscreens and voice control. Global connectivity would be guaranteed via reliable cellular boosters, secure communication lines, and high-speed satellite internet. Long-term off-grid autonomy would be ensured by intelligent power management, a high-capacity, silent auxiliary power unit, and an advanced lithium-ion battery bank and effective solar arrays. The heavy-duty Mercedes-Benz chassis that the Brabus X Hymer Platinum Series Motorhome is built on would probably be heavily re-engineered by Brabus for improved performance and durability. A significantly improved powertrain, perhaps a performance-tuned diesel or hybrid system producing enormous torque and horsepower, would be part of this. Comfort and its strongest status would be reinforced by a custom air suspension system with adjustable dampening and improved articulation that would guarantee an incredibly smooth ride across any terrain. High-performance braking systems, various differential locks, and advanced all-wheel drive would offer unmatched control and safety, enabling it to easily navigate difficult terrain. The 2026 Brabus X Hymer Platinum Series Motorhome would essentially be more than just an RV. It would be a mobile palace of luxury and intellect, built to carry its affluent owners across the world in the utmost comfort, security, and style.